Your challenge today is go on a forum that you spend time, share your experience, or answer a question that somebody else has. All right? Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is a completely different video of how we do things. It's a challenge for you. So I've only become a better programmer because of me exposing, because I've been teaching and training people for decades, since I was a very young individual, started around 12, and teaching and training, and that's what I've become most experienced, because I've been doing it forever. So what I want you to do, and I have this wonderful platform, and I've become a better programmer because all of the wonderful questions you have challenged me with. So here's my challenge for you. Go on a forum that you utilize and do one of two things. Find somebody who is learning Python and is struggling, or they just shared their story, or they have a question. So I want you to share your story or see if you can answer a question for them today. And I promise you, you'll get something out of it. Okay? Whenever somebody else is going through something and you help them, you benefit from it too. I promise. And it's gonna be a new feeling. It's gonna be a different feeling if you haven't experienced it. You're gonna want more of it. And you're going to benefit immensely from it. Because of my experience with teaching and training, I knew I had skills that became exponentially increased the minute I started training somebody. So when I started to learn programming, within a year, I found a way to start teaching and training, and I started teaching at my kids' school. They had zero experience. They didn't know anything from Adam. If I made a mistake, they wouldn't know. And that's where my skills began to get cemented. Then 3 years ago, I jumped in to this channel, or almost 3 years. We're getting really, really close. And it became compounded. So I've been doing this for 6-7 years now. So share your story. Somebody else out there is struggling with learning Python, thinking about giving up, doesn't know if they can learn it. Your experience may keep them in this. I love Python, and Python is so amazing because of its community, not because of its language, not because of its syntax. I want you to really start thinking about it. Python is amazing because of its community. So your challenge today is go on a forum that you spend time, share your experience, or answer a question that somebody else has. All right? That's your challenge and your homework for today. Spread the word of Python and this community. All right? So there we go. Completely different video. Was about to record something else. That just came to me. I've been spending a lot of time on message boards and sharing these videos and sharing the videos that you guys have asked, and it's unbelievable. You guys have begun to build this community. This is your channel. I'm just wading my way through everything. So I can't tell you guys thank you enough. And it's inspired me. It has completely inspired me. I would have never thought that I'd been able to sit down and have this many videos. It's because of you guys. So I just want to tell you guys thank you. Now go share, spread, support, help somebody else. Okay? So great. I was able to help you. Awesome. Go and help somebody else. Okay? So I'm benefiting from you. I want you to benefit from somebody else. Deal? Awesome. Drop any comments, questions, any video requests below. Toying around with some even more sharing ideas. Working on the structure of it. Getting real close. But this is a channel you love. Hope you love it as much as I do. Don't forget to hit up the Patreon link down below. Drop any comments, questions, video requests, and if you're new here, if you're stumbling across this, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't want you missing out on anything. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.